Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 20th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir down 23 cents, 2.77%, closed at 808. Post-market, we are up by 1 cent. What can I say? Nothing to see here. Even though we are down by 2.77%, this is just par for the course because the stock is stuck between 792 and 843. So any move, any close between these two lines, it just means that the stock is going sideways, and this is just noise. This is just noise at the daily chart level. So not much that we can do here. So the stock is maintaining itself back into this downward channel, and it seems to slowly want to go across. And this is not a great drawing, but it seems like it wants to slowly go across this resistance right here. It's fine by me. It's fine by me. And when it starts to go back up, we are going to look for a stochastic over 60. And then if so, then we can catch a swing. And sometimes the swing continues and continues and continues if we are lucky. If we are lucky. Looking at the hourly chart. Okay. So we were close to 843, then we came lower than 792. We came lower for a couple of hours, and then we came back in. So is this an indication that 792 is not going to be respected again? It has not been respected today entirely. We came back into it, above 792. So maybe the respect is going to be lost also. We can do something like this here. We can draw this. And this is going to be a nice indication to see if we are going to break this downward resistance next Monday. If it caves in here, below 792, then you can short it down to 719 or so. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, not much to see. Everything is in the tank, pretty much everything else. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my many wonderful affiliate links. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to talk on Sunday. Have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.